guys, come with me as I make this very sumptuous goat meat pepper soup. I start by adding some already washed goat meat into a clean pot. I go in with ginger and garlic paste, onions, seasoning cubes, peppers, and salt. I stir that to combine. Cover and allow to steam in its own juice. After some minutes, this is what we have. I go in with water, enough water to cook the protein. I add pepper soup spice, seasoning cubes, salt, and Aiden fruit. After that, I stir this to combine. Then I cover and allow the protein to cook till it's very tender. Guys, at this point, the aroma here is nose blinding. So the protein is well cooked, very tender to my preference. I stir that and I go in with scent leaves. I'm using dry scent leaves because that's what I have at the moment. If you have the fresh one, you can make use of it. After that, I stir and cover to simmer for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, and our goat meat pepper soup is ready. You can choose to enjoy this with rice, yam, any of those carbs. As for me, I'm enjoying this alone because the weather here today is super cold. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes. Alright guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.